This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Play Store, make sure that your smartphone connected to Wi-Fi of course, then at the search bar input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can open its app info page and start the installation from there. Now simply wait for anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds for the app to be downloaded and installed, which just depends on how fast is your internet connection. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the continue button, then choose if you would like to set Opera as your default browser app, and finally you can either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow Opera to do, well, practically anything it asks for and start using the app already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.